Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing for you a order I recently received, literally just today. In fact, I only just ordered this, well, kind of yesterday. I put the order in last week, but the way that it works with Scrapbook Cottage, which is where this is from, is that you place an order and they have a big warehouse. And all of the stuff that you want gets shipped to their store. And once it's in their store, they contact you. All you do is put a deposit down initially. I think it was a $20 deposit I put down. And then once the order's in, they charge you in full. But the nice thing about that is it gives you more time to be able to choose different items in the store. She happened to get one thing that I was waiting for, and because shipping is the biggest part of the cost, really, it's nice that they had the extra time for me to get one more thing. So they had a clearance on, and that's why I put this order in. These were on clearance for $3.70, and these little gold bows are really quite handy. And I really enjoy working with those. Even though they're from Sweet Story, they go with really any collection. The thing that I got here was simple cards, card kits, and there's two different card kits. I also got the collection kit. I'm going to link a video for you here of all of the Simple Stories Bunnies and Blooms projects that I created last time. Last Easter, I made an entire series with this. Such a cute collection. I needed to get more. I have quite a bit of the embellishments and foam stickers and stuff like that left. So I thought just grabbing another 12 by 12 because this collection kit was on sale and it was only $15.65, which is a good price in comparison to the normal $23. I think it's about $23.99 usually. And I also picked up this card kit. And I'm going to show you what's inside this because I thought this would be a fun packet to bring to a friend's house or a crop, anything that you're just doing on the go, because it literally contains everything that you need, including the instructions, to create all these simple cards. And it has pictures here that you can see of all the different cards that you make. And the thing that I liked about them is they're not specific Easter. Like that is a lovely spring card that you could give for a birthday or thinking of you. I mean, you could even give as an anniversary card. Like there's just a really nice set of cards. So you get the card bases. The only thing you don't get to complete the cards are the adhesives and the envelopes. But you get this set of chipboard, but they're a really thin chipboard. You can see what it's like there, but these just punch out. And then they have all of the bases of the cards already pre-done. And I know that they did say that they have added layering pieces that are separate, because if you wanted to do stitching on any of the layering pieces before you attach them to your card, you can go ahead and layer them on like that and just stitch them sort of separately. So that's the really cute kit. Now this card kit was, let's see the price here, $13.45. And interestingly enough, I did just see this deal on Peachy Cheap as well for these two card kits, and it was $13.99 US plus $8.99 shipping for us. So it comes out to about the same price in Canada here for me. I'll show you a quick look through this one as well. So this is a Valentine Day card kit, and again, I thought they were very much simple cards that you could use for any number of different occasions. They did not really have to be Valentine specific. Like, look at that. You're a top quality friend. An anniversary card. Could be a gift basket of chocolates for Valentine's Day if you wanted any of these cards. But so they come with those chipboards, the bases, the instructions, and then all of the pieces that go together. And it's just like, if you want to just sit down with everything at your fingertips, have a little bit of maybe gems and a little bit of foam adhesive, you know, you could really bring these cards to life. You want to keep them simple and keep them as flat mail that you could send to your friends, then you can do that as well. So those are the 2 card kits there. And then the last thing that I ordered was this Happy Hearts collection kit. This is the brand new Simple Stories collection kit. I really love the colors. It reminds me a lot of Main Squeeze, and that was the reason why I didn't feel the need to get any of the accessories specifically that went along with this kit, because just the papers alone were all I need, because I do have a lot of crate paper, ephemera and embellishments left over from various Valentine's Day collections past, and they are all the same sort of color. So you can see these adorable little faces on the hearts are super cute. That's Main Squeeze there, right there. Those cute little faces. This was like Crate Paper's Valentine's collection, and then actually a Simple Stories one as well. I was just working with the Simple Stories kissing booth, and it was this black background with white X's and O's. And you can see I have a whole Valentine series on my channel as well. If you want, I can link that for you here. And I have been creating all kinds of things for my secret swap that I'm going to be sending out. So I'm actually not planning on doing a lot more Valentine specific crafting, but I do love all of these colors and papers. And like I said, this doesn't really have to be Valentine's Day. You've got cute little elements like these little bubble teas, the ice cream cones, cake. Like you could easily cut those apart and make a variety of different fun cards, scrapbook layouts, mini books, happy mail, etc. I love these tags that they do. I love that they have the tag empty on the back so you could write something, and you could easily just make this a tag for a gift basket and tie that on top, just the way that it is. Some lovely cut aparts. They really have a lot of cut aparts in their collections at Simple Stories. You can see like how many pages of cut aparts is that just there? There's 3, right? Yeah, more. 4. Wow, okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is one of the reasons why you don't necessarily even need the ephemera, because you have so many pieces that you can cut apart. It's kind of like you can create your own ephemera packs just by cutting these 12 by 12 pages apart. I don't really like the cut apart sheets for the fact that if I do want to use the other side, it makes it really difficult if you're doing a 3D project, because what's on the back is its own unique individual little element, and it makes it difficult to use them as 12 by 12 papers. But like I said, with this, because I was not getting ephemera, it's a fun little way of creating some pieces to layer with. And then all of these are the ones. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's 7 pieces that are just 12 by 12 papers of patterned paper. So that's the Happy Hearts collection kit. But thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I welcome you. If you like paper crafty things, I also unbox FabFitFun. You'll see me doing that every season as well. But for the most part, I'm on here doing Happy Mail, doing letters to pen pals, scrapbooks, mini albums, and many more things. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time.